Well, hello world watchers. This is a bit random. I am going out on my own solo because if you've seen the previous videos, or if you haven't, John's put his back out and has been in bed now for a good few days. I've got a daughter who's very poorly as well, so that's not brilliant. But it's a beautiful day in May. I've cut the grass and I've made a cake, and I'm just feeling like I think I deserve a cocktail. And basically it was inspired because I was reading the Sainsbury's magazine, and this month they've got a cocktail called a spring Negroni. Now I'm sure that we've done a Negroni on this channel with John, and he usually does the cocktails, so this is me going out on my own, but this sounds right up my street. So limoncello is the star and roll, and me and limoncello are the best buddies because I discovered it not so long ago, the end of last year, and it is just, I love it. So I'm going to try and do this, and you're going to have to bear with me. So in a cocktail shaker with ice, you need 25 mils of gin. Now they're saying that if you've got a floral type gin, that's better, because as you know, you can get all types now. I don't. All I have at the moment is a London gin, but that's fine. So we're going to go with what we got. So 25 of gin, and then 25 of vermouth bianco. So I've got Cinzano, but obviously there's others, and I'm actually nearly out of that as well. So 25 of that. In that goes. May as well bung that in. There's not worth saving that bit, was it? And then 50 mils of limoncello. So in goes the limoncello. And a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice that I've literally just squeezed. So just a teaspoon of that, and that goes. Now, you don't shake it, you just gently stir it together. And then into a cocktail glass with some fresh ice, you strain this mixture. Like so. And then it says to add this is a bit random, add a splash of water, still water, either obviously bottled water or tap water, but just a splash like that. And then you get a piece of pared lemon zest, and you sort of wriggle it over the top of the cocktail to release its oils. And that is it. So I'll tidy this mess up, take a picture, and then I'll taste it for you. So if you see the picture in the book, it's got a pretty like edible flower and stuff on it. Well, don't have any of those at the minute. So, but we do have this cocktail and it looks amazing. So let's give it a taste. Oh yes, very nice. You get the lemon obviously because it's lemon. But actually the funny thing is, I mean, I know that I put a tiny bit more of the vermouth in than I should have done. But you can definitely taste the vermouth. The vermouth gives it like a sweetness. And the lemon is just fresh. It's just like a fresh, zingy sort of kind of taste. I don't pick the gin up at all, but then there was only 25 ml, so. Yeah, very nice. This is absolutely one of those summer cocktails, spring cocktails that you could drink quite happily. I mean, I think if I was having like a barbecue or something like that, I'd probably size it up and make it into a jug, and then people could just help themselves. Obviously, John will put the amounts and things in the description for you, and it's obviously for just one drink, as you can see. Although having said that, my glasses usually are quite large, so it worked out perfectly. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy that while I'm waiting for my cake to finish baking, and generally have quite a nice afternoon on my own by the look of it, because everybody's in their rooms being poorly. So thanks for joining me, thanks for keeping me company, and I will see you all again very soon. Maybe I'll do Kelly's cocktail corner, who knows. Bye for now. Oh, please, if you haven't subscribed, do that, it's really important. Thank you, bye bye.